After you've had a chance to review the existing views that come with the Project 2007 application, you may want to create a unique view for yourself and for your own project. This is done very quickly and easily with the Microsoft Project application. First thing you want to do is you want to select an existing view as your base. You also want to be able to determine if there's any other table that you would like to add to that view. And you also want to know before you begin if you're going to apply grouping or filters to the view that you're working with. Now, in order to create the view, you go to View, More Views, and you select the initial view that you're working with. So I'm going to base it on a Gantt chart. I click New. In this case, I'm going to create a single view, so just one look and feel of the data. We'll talk about combination views later. And click OK. I give my view a name, so I'm going to call it Web Plan Custom View. The screen that I'm going to be working from is my Gantt chart. Again, though, you have a drop-down list of the basic views that you have for your screens that you can start from. I then want to identify what table I want to include. So I'm going to work down and look at the schedule because that's the table that I want to include in my view. I am not going to apply any groups, but the grouping would allow me to just look at complete or incomplete tasks, certain types of constraints that I'm interested in, critical tasks, and we'll look at that grouping more when we take a look at our critical path in a subsequent movie. Different milestones can also be grouped in here. I'm also just going to say no grouping for this part in time because I want to see all my information, as well as I'm going to just say give me all of my tasks. I'm also going to identify I want it shown in my menu so that it's going to be available here when I pull my view menu down. Otherwise, I'd have to open up the More Views dialog box in order for me to grab this particular custom view I'm creating. Now that I've set up my view definition, I click OK. It then appears for me in my More Views dialog box. And in order for it to be applied to the screen that I'm looking at, I select it and click Apply. And then it overwrites the information that I am seeing here. So now you see that my view identifies the start and finish dates of the particular projects as I had set them up in the beginning of my plan, and when the late start and late finish dates could come along. So what kind of leeway do I have within my schedule? In this case, because I have tried, my constraint is to have them as soon as possible. I don't have much leeway here, but at least it gives me the information that I need and I have selected in order to create my custom view. Now, you can also modify your views that way by clicking View, More Views, by using this Edit screen. By clicking on that Edit button, I can come back to my view definition screen and massage the view that I've just created. It's very important to just use that edit capability on your custom views. Don't edit a standard view within Project because it will adjust the base view and it will be only usable to you. If you go and share that particular project with another individual, another project manager, and you've adjusted the base view, that will skew what they are understanding and analyzing from the project view. So it's a good habit, a best practice to get into creating your own custom views and working from them as you're working within your project, and not to adjust the base views that come with the application. Next, we're going to take a look at what combination views are and how you can use those to analyze your project.